So we will now see this binary tree and see how 16 is inserted in this BST. So as we see here, 12, that is the root dot key value, is less than node 16. So we go to the root right subtree of 12, which is 17, and at 17 the key value, that is 16, is less than root dot key. So we go to the left subtree of 17, which is 14. So at 14, the root dot key value, which is 16, is greater than the no root dot key value, which is 14. So we go to the right subtree of 14. Similarly, at 15, what's happening is the key value, which is 16, is greater than the root dot key value, which is 15. So we go to the right subtree. So at null, which is this point where there is no subtree, we find out that the root is null, that is the first if condition is satisfied. So root is now assigned as a node of 16, and since root is assigned as a node of 16, we return this root value, that is we return the address of this root back to 15. So 15 now has, at 15, root dot right is now going to become 16. So 15 is now going to be 15:16. Since that is the case, we come out of the else if statement and we return the address of 15. That is what we are basically saying is every single node that is able to traverse 15 can also now traverse 16. So that is why we are returning this 15, the address of this 15 node without changing the node pointer. So we return the root value, that is the address of 15, back to 14. So at 14, the value of root dot right is going to be 15. So what 14 is now going to become is 14, 15 and 16. So for 14, root dot right will be 15 and root dot right will be 16. And similarly, we'll return the address of 14 back to 17. At 17, root dot left is equal to 14, and by 14 I mean the address of node 14. So 17 can now be traversed by 17, 14, 15 and 16. So similarly, we return the address of 17 without changing anything in it, and we return the address back to back to 12. So at 12, root dot right is going to be 17. So 12 can be accessed using 12, 17, 14, 15 and 16. So root dot right will be 12 and root dot right dot left, and the same goes on and on till we can reach 16. So this basically means is we could easily access 16 using this particular node. So that is how insertion in binary tree is done. Thank you.